528 BMW E39 exterior driver's side door fail. So here's the driver's side door that failed at just 5-degree morning, just snapped like a potato chip. This is a Chinese mystery metal, but that's the original. And this thing like just completely failed. So okay, and this is the Euro replacement. It's made out of plastic. I was really disappointed. Got this from Auto House, Arizona. I could not get this to work, period. Maybe you can, I just could not. But you can see it's really not quite the same. It's similar, but it's just not quite the same. But anyway, they make a lot of good products, just probably not this one. So there's the junk. Chinese mystery metal and a plastic new one, which doesn't work. So what you do is this little plastic thing comes off of here. Just pop that off with a screwdriver. And you can't see it, but other people have made a really good video. And it's a flat bracket that locks the handle in place. So I use this, and this didn't quite work. So what I did is I just used a hammer and a screwdriver, and I pushed that slot all the way in. Bimmer Merchant and another guy make a good video, and they show you what that piece looks like. But it's a little flat slider, and you just want to push it forward. If you have a trampoline spring puller, or a brake tool that I don't have, or another puller like this, but that's beefier, that doesn't bend, you can push that in, and when that gets pushed in, this comes right off. It just flips off and comes right off. And then when you fit the new one in, which the original I got from Bimmer Merchant on eBay, it fits. It took me a little bit to get it to fit, but it fit. And then it has to line up with these two brackets. Can you see them there? There's one, there's two. It fits on there with those two brackets. And then once I got that into position, I was able to use this puller to get in there and yank it back out, and locked the door handle in place. But you can get a beefier one of these, or you can get a trampoline spring puller, which would work the best. But like I said, to push that metal in, that slider, I just hit it with a screwdriver and a hammer, and it slid open, and the door handle fell off, and it worked. There's a couple other good videos on YouTube on how to do this, and one of them is a German guy, and another one's in Russian, and I would recommend take a look at those guys' videos, and you'll see how it comes together. But it's pretty simple. Push that in, that slider, push the slider all the way in, and that'll free this. And then this will just basically come right out. Put your new one in, line it up with the two positions I showed you, and then you can use that pull tool, and because it's got a hole on the end of it, and just pull that back out, and that locks that in place. And 200 some odd thousand miles. The interior one broke, and I replaced it with a metal Euro one, which I was really surprised. It was really nice, and that was simple. Once you learn how to do this, it's 8-10 minute job, if that. You do not have to take this door panel off. If you're taking the door panel off, you're going way too far. And so there it is. But for some reason I couldn't get that Euro exterior door handle to fit. So, oh well. Yeah. Works just like it should. And this one is metal. So wintertime we'll probably be a little bit more careful so it don't snap. It's just Chinese mystery metal, a cheap shit. And well, that's it, gang. We'll catch you on the next YouTube. I just thought I'd show you it's really that easy. It's not the big pain in the ass that it looks like. You don't have to remove that door panel. It's really that easy. See you on the next YouTube.